Welcome to lightboxsupplies.com. The following is a quick tutorial video on how to assemble a wall-mount lightbox. Wall-mount lightboxes are great as permanent displays for storefront and businesses to display their advertisement or useful information. While permanently mounted, the graphics can still be easily changed, allowing you to cycle through displays as much as you want. Our video today will show you how simple it is to assemble a wall-mount lightbox. We begin our installation by first putting the brackets to the back of the frame. Once all four sides are in, tighten the screws. Flip over the frame and insert the brackets for the front of the frame. Make sure the diamond is parallel when you first put on the frame and then tighten. Next, unroll the lights and attach it onto the frame by tightening the top with cable ties. After making sure all the lights are connected properly, we can install the lightbox onto the wall. The frame will have pre-drilled holes for you to drill screws through those holes onto the wall. Once mounted, you can connect it to the power source and test the lights and then install the graphic onto the frame. Install the first four corners of the graphic, then the middle of the graphic, and work your way back to the corners. If you ever need to change the graphic, just remove it and reinstall a new one for a fresh new look. And just like that, you're done. Beyond wall-mount lightboxes, our Canadian-based company also produces lightbox for trade shows with various designs and possibilities. For a full list of our products, please visit our website or contact our sales team today.